Once, in a small village surrounded by mountains, there lived a 24-year-old young man named Max. Max was not foolish or weak, he was struggling with cognitive overload. His mind was a perpetual storm, filled with racing thoughts, regrets about the past, and paralyzing anxiety about the future. He couldn't sleep, he couldn't find peace, and he had forgotten how to simply smile. Max eventually heard about a wise old man living in the hills. A man who had been a famous city psychologist before choosing a life close to nature. He was known for helping people find mental clarity. Curious and hopeful, Max embarked on a long and tiring journey. He thought, maybe this wise man can give me the formula for peace. After many days, Max reached the quiet, green house. The old man was sitting peacefully on the porch. Max walked up to him and whispered, "Grandfather, my mind is restless. I cannot stop the thoughts. I want peace in my heart. Can you help me?" The old man slowly opened his eyes and gave a calm smile. "So, you are looking for peace? Then come with me. I will give you a small, necessary task." The old man led Max to the yard and filled a glass completely full, so full that the slightest tremor would cause it to spill. He gave the glass to Max and said, "Walk from here to the edge of the village and then come back. You must not spill even one drop of water." Max accepted the challenge. He held the glass with extreme care and started walking. The road was chaotic, barking dogs, running children, busy shopkeepers, but Max did not look around. His gaze and all his attention were locked onto the water in the glass. He walked slowly, meticulously, step by step. People watched him, sensing he was learning something important. Max returned, victorious. "Grandfather," he said, "I did it. I didn't spill a drop." The old man nodded. "That's good. Now, tell me, did you see the children playing? Did you hear the dogs barking?" Max looked surprised and said, "No, I didn't see or hear anything. I was only focusing on the water in the glass." The old man smiled and delivered the core lesson. That is the secret that was always inside you. When your mind stays completely in the present moment, there is no space left for worry about the future, sadness about the past, or distracting thoughts. Your mind became completely quiet because your focus was 100% committed to the task in your hands. Max finally understood. The peace he was searching for was not something he needed to find outside. It was the present moment focus he already possessed. He bowed his head. "Grandfather, now I understand. If I want to calm my mind, I must keep my focus in this moment. That is where real peace comes." Max started walking back home a changed man. He was peaceful inside, because now he knew the simple truth. You control your mind not by fighting your thoughts, but by anchoring your attention. If this story helped you, please give it a like, share and subscribe it. Anchor your attention today. See you in the next story. Thank you for watching my video.